What's up, guys? It finally came in. The new Stalker. Very excited. Can't wait to shoot this thing. See the background. Watching my boy Bull Airsoft Sniper channel. If you're not following him, you should. Got some good videos up there. So shout out to Bull Sniper. Anyways, so going back to this bad boy, this is replacing my Echo 1 M28, which I still love, but wanted to switch it up a little. Got the run cam on there. Very exciting, very exciting. Kind of heavy, I ain't gonna lie to you guys. I picked it up and it's a little heavy, but let's see. I will be posting videos on how she performs. It says FPS 430 at 0.20s. I did get a bit stronger spring for her, trying to get her close to 500. She is semi-oni. 40 clip can hold 40 meters, so got some nice lettering there. Pretty beefed up, I ain't gonna lie to you. So once I get this bad boy all together with all my accessories and we put it out in the field, test it out and see how accurate she is, I'll come back and do another video. I was gonna buy a different gun, I ain't gonna lie to you. I was looking for that one gun that everybody loves, but a little disappointed when I reach out to them and their response. So I don't want to put them on blast, but if you're gonna make money off of your fellow airsofters, you might want to be a little bit more professional with your business. So we'll keep it there. Maybe in the next video I'll put them on blast or something. But anyways, back to my new toy here. Very excited. I will come back with a better video. Sorry, it's a little late. I'm tired, but here we go.